Dear viewers, welcome back to R.H. Educational channel. This is my third video. After seeing this video, learners can remember and understand the names of the days in Arabic. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe the channel. Dear viewers, as we know that there are 7 days in every language, but they have different names. For example, in English, the names are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Like this, we will learn today also how to say these days in Arabic. As we know that also in English, if we want to change any singular word into plural, we just add in the last s or es. But in Arabic language, there is totally different method. For singular word, there is a separate word. For 2 words, there is also a separate word. And even for 3 or more than 3 words, there is also a separate word. But they have same origin. It means they are derived from the same base word. We can see these changes in yom word, which is used for day in Arabic. For 1 day is yom, for 2 days are yomain, and for 3 or more than 3 days are ayyam. So this is totally different topic. We will discuss about it in separate class. Today we will discuss only about the name of the days in Arabic. So let's begin. First day of the week. The first day of the week in Arabic is Yamul-Ahad, and it is derived from the word wahid, means one. Now see the example. ذهبت إلى السوق يوم الأحد. ذهبت إلى السوق يوم الأحد. Sunday I went to market. Second day of the week. The second day of the week in Arabic is Yamul-Ethnain, and it is derived from the word Ethnain, means 2. And Yamul-Ethnain comes between Yamul-Ahad and Yamul-Thulutha. See the example. ستفتح المدرسة يوم الاثنين. ستفتح المدرسة يوم الاثنين. School will open on Monday. Third day of the week. The third day of the week in Arabic is Yamuth-Thulutha, and it is derived from the word Thalatha, means 3. And Yamuth-Thulutha comes between Yamul-Ethnain and Yamul-Arba'a. See the example. سيجيء محمود يوم الثلاثاء. سيجيء محمود يوم الثلاثاء. Mahmoud will come on Tuesday. Fourth day of the week. The fourth day of the week in Arabic is Yamul-Arba'a, and it is derived from the word Arba, means 4. And Yamul-Arba'a comes between Yamul-Thulutha and Yamul-Khamis. So see the example. سأعطيك الفلوس يوم الأربعاء. سأعطيك الفلوس يوم الأربعاء. I will give you the money on Wednesday. Fifth day of the week. The fifth day of the week in Arabic is Yawmul Khamis, and it is derived from the word Khamsa, means 5. And Yawmul Khamis comes between Yawmul Arba'a and Yamul-Jum'a. So see the example. سيرجع المدرس يوم الخميس. سيرجع المدرس يوم الخميس. Teacher will return on Thursday. Sixth day of the week. The sixth day of the week in Arabic is Yamul-Jum'a, and it is derived from the word Jama or Tajammu, means gather. On Yamul-Jum'a means Friday, Muslim community gather at the mosque and offer a special prayer. Yamul-Jum'a comes between Yamul-Khamis and Yamuth-Sabt. So see the example. سيرد على سؤالك يوم الجمعة. سيرد على سؤالك يوم الجمعة. He will reply your question on Friday. Last day of the week. The last day of the week in Arabic is Yamuth-Sabt. Yamuth-Sabt comes between Yamul-Jum'a and Yamul-Ahad. Now see the example. يجيء يوم السبت قبل يوم الأحد. يجيء يوم السبت قبل يوم الأحد. Saturday comes before Sunday. So now revise the lesson and repeat the word. Yamul-Ahad means Sunday. Yamul-Ahad means Sunday. Yamul-Ethnain means Monday. Yamul-Ethnain means Monday. Yamuth-Thulutha means Tuesday. Yamuth-Thulutha means Tuesday. Yamul-Arba'a means Wednesday. Yamul-Arba'a means Wednesday. Yamul-Khamis means Thursday. Yamul-Khamis means Thursday. Yamul-Jum'a means Friday. Yamul-Jum'a means Friday. Yamuth-Sabt means Saturday. Yamuth-Sabt means Saturday. So now the time is for quiz. There are 5 questions. You should to read them carefully and give their answer and tally them in description. First question is, what is the name of the last day? What is the name of the last day? A. Yamul-Ahad or B. Yamuth-Sabt. The second question is, what is the name of the first day? What is the name of the first day? A. Yamul-Ahad, B. Yamuth-Sabt. Third question is, which day comes between Yamuth-Sabt and Yamul-Ethnain? Which day comes between Yamuth-Sabt and Yamul-Ethnain? A. Yamul-Jum'a, B. Yamul-Ahad, C. Yamuth-Thulutha. Fourth question is, which day comes before Yamul-Khamis? Which day comes before Yamul-Khamis? A. Yamul-Arba'a, B. Yamul-Jum'a. Fifth question is, which day comes after Yamul-Ahad? Which day comes after Yamul-Ahad? A. Yamuth-Sabt, B. Yamul-Ethnain. So for today, this is enough. We will meet you in another class with new topic. Thank you very much. See you again.